Hey everyone, Carol Hickman here with Chickstamper. How are you doing today? I wanted to show you this adorable little treat bag that I made, and these went out in the mail today to everybody who's ordered this past week. So it's a little bag, but look, it holds these little tiny boxes of Brock's Conversation Hearts. So I wanted to show you how I made it. Again, it's going out in the mail today to everybody who's ordered more than $35 during the past week. Last Friday, my Facebook Live used the Hey Chicks and Hey Birthday Chicks bundles. And here are the cards that we made that day. Aren't they really cute? So in the class kits I shipped today, along with their thank you gift, they received the card kits, everything they need except stamps and ink and adhesive to put together these cute cards. So let me show you how we made this cute thank you gift today. It's almost Thanksgiving time, so I thought it was appropriate. First of all, let me show you. Here's the Hey Birthday Chick bundle, and here is the Hey Chick bundle. Now you might have the Hey Chick stamp set from a few years ago when it was a celebration item. Now Stampin' Up! Has come out with coordinating dies, so you want to either pull out that set that you have, be sure that you get the dies to go with it, or just buy the bundle as a whole that's new and available. So I also used the layering square dies to get this cute little square here. But you can see in the Birthday Chick dies that has the cute little chick and this fence post that I used. Alrighty, so let me get my scoreboard here, and we're going to use a piece of 6x6 designer paper. This is from the snail mail designer paper set, and it's really cute. It's directional, so I want to pay attention that this is the top of my bag. I'm going to go to the bottom and turn it because I want to score this bottom part. So I'm going to score it 3/4 of an inch all along the bottom. Then turn it back around, so now I have my top up against the top edge of my scoreboard. And I'm going to score at 3/4 of an inch again, 2 5/8 inches, 3 3/8 inches, and 5 1/4 inch. Alrighty. So we're going to burnish those score lines, but we have a little bit of trimming to do. And I'm going to turn it over because it's a little easier for me to see these areas that I want to cut away. So we'll just take out these bottom squares on each side of our bag. And again, this is along the bottom edge where we had trimmed that, or excuse me, where we had scored at 3/4 of an inch. And then there's this middle piece tab. I'm just gonna trim up to that 3/4 inch line and take this little tab out as well, because we just don't need it. It's okay. Our box will be just perfectly cute without it. All right, so let's burnish these score lines. And this box is going to come together so quick and easy. I'm sure you can see it's beginning to take shape already. All right. So these conversation hearts are a little smaller than the boxes that I remember from the past, or from when I was little, or even my kids were little. This is called Tiny Conversation Hearts. And basically it's going to fit just right inside this. So I'm going to get some adhesive and just put it on one of these sides. I only need it on one. And we'll put the conversation hearts in there, and we'll just wrap this up and over and adhere it down. There we go. And then the bottom part will adhere. Let me just get a little bit more on there. There we go. Okay, so basically here's our little bag. Of course it would fit any type of treat you want, but there's some extra space at the top, and I like that because then I can just kind of push in the sides and make it into an actual bag. And then in our January to June mini catalog, we've got these little clips called Clever Clasps, and they come in silver and gold. In one pack, you get 10 of each color. I'm just gonna grab out a silver one. And that's what I used right along the top to clip or clasp my bag closed. Very easy, super cute. And in our projects last week, we used the Daffodil Delight Ruched ribbon. So I'm just gonna make a little bow out of that. And now all we're gonna do is just decorate our little bag. All right, there's our bow. And let's get a glue dot on here to help hold it onto our bag. So I'm just putting it below the little clip. That way the clip can come off and the treat can come out. Okay, so I've got my little square for from the Layering Squares dies. And it's a straight edge square, but I want to decorate it a little bit. So using let's see, which one are we using? We're using the Hey Chick stamp set for this one. And I've got my Memento Black. And we'll just put our little egg there. And our saying says, "You're a good egg." And then I'm going to use some crumb cake ink and whoopsie, well, that got kind of messed up. Let's do that again. Got another little square here. I think I re-inked my black. Let me get a black that's not so juicy. That one was pretty juicy. That's a little better. Let's get, there we go. That one's a little better. Not so juicy for us. Okay, crumb cake ink to do the ground. Make it look like there's chicken feed. It also looks like confetti. This is a great stamp you could use on a party card because it looks like confetti. You could do it in different colors. Okay, so let's put this piece on our treat bag. And I'm just going to go up a little bit. There's really no wrong or right there. And this fence post is from the dies. Isn't it cute? But I'm just going to trim off this little extra on this side, only because it doesn't fit on my bag. Now it will fit straight across my bag. And I just put it on with some glue dots. I just put one on every other fence post. There we go. And then these adorable little chick dies, we used them last week on our card. And what I did is I took some Daffodil Delight paper and I put our adhesive sheets on the back. And then when I ran it through my die machine, it already has adhesive on it. So that just makes it easy. Ready to go. So in your card kits, when they come to you, know that your chicks already have adhesive on them. And we'll put just a little rhinestone for his eyeball. There we go. And then we can color a little bit. I've got some Cajun Craze Stampin' Blend here, just to color his feet a little bit. And then a Daffodil Delight Stampin' Blend. Alrighty, you guys. How's that for a cute Valentine treat? You're a good egg. And then, of course, it coordinates with our cards from last week. Pretty cute. I'll be back, you guys. Let's see, our next Friday Facebook Live is scheduled for the 19th of February at 1 o'clock Arizona time, 3 o'clock Eastern. And I'll be back before then, I think, with another cute project video. And let's see, I think I've got another video in the works. I can't think of what it is, but be sure that you follow me on YouTube, so become a subscriber there, and then you'll get a notification every time that I post a new video, so you won't miss a thing. You can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/Chickstamper as well, you guys. Have a wonderful day.